everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we begin a beautiful journey into the world of literature. A world filled with imagination, emotions, and knowledge. First, we'll understand what literature really means. And then move into the rich world of English literature. So, what is literature? Literature is the art of using words to express human life. It includes stories, poems, plays, essays, and even traditional folk tales. Just like nature shows its beauty through seasons, literature shows the beauty of human thoughts and emotions. It reflects culture, history, beliefs, and experiences. In literature, we usually talk about three main branches. First is poetry, full of rhythm, images, and feelings. Then we have drama, which is written for performance on stage. And finally, prose, which includes novels, short stories, and essays. These three branches form the foundation of all literary study. English literature is one part of world literature. It includes all writing created in the English language. It comes from many countries, like England, America, India, Africa, Sri Lanka, and many more. It is a river of stories flowing across continents and cultures. English literature began more than 1,000 years ago during the Old English period. People shared stories by speaking, long before writing became common. One of the earliest great works is Beowulf, a heroic poem about bravery and loyalty. These early tales are like the roots of a great literary tree. Later, we entered the Middle English period. Here we meet Geoffrey Chaucer, known as the father of English literature. His famous work, The Canterbury Tales, gives us a colorful picture of medieval life and human nature. Then came the powerful Renaissance age and the legendary William Shakespeare. His plays explore love, jealousy, ambition, friendship, fear, and hope. Shakespeare shaped the English language itself, and his stories still touch our hearts after hundreds of years. In the 18th and 19th centuries, the novel became extremely popular. Writers created longer and more detailed stories with real human characters. Jane Austen wrote about society and love. Charles Dickens wrote about poverty and justice. And the Bronte sisters created powerful, emotional stories. Each novel brought a new voice to literature. In the 20th and 21st centuries, English literature became truly global. Writers from different countries used English to share their cultures and experiences. We see fantasy worlds like Harry Potter, deep social novels, science fiction, and modern poetry. Today, English literature is as diverse as a forest full of different trees. Why do we study literature? Because it helps us understand people, their emotions, cultures, and dreams. It builds empathy and widens our imagination. Literature helps us see the world more clearly and feel it more deeply. Literature also improves our language skills. We learn new vocabulary, understand grammar naturally, and develop better reading, writing, and thinking skills. It helps us express our ideas clearly and creatively. So today, we traveled from the basic meaning of literature to the journey of English literature through time. Literature is like nature, always growing, always inspiring. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.